Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Gitminer in your Kali Linux in Android. First make your terminal update and upgrade. For making terminal update and upgrade, you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. You have to be in the root directory. So after that you have to make update and upgrade. After making update and upgrade, you have to come here, copy this one, copy it and paste it here. I given the every code in my Telegram channel guys, so please visit there and copy every code. Okay, after that paste it here. I already installed that one guys, that's why it's showing for me like this. It will take some time in your terminal. After that ls for the list and cd for the chain directory and search the name Gitminer. Where is the Gitminer? Oh, here it is, the Gitminer. Copy it and clear the terminal. Okay, after that again make ls. After that copy this one, apt install pip, copy it, paste it here. See guys, I already installed this one, that's why it's showing for me like this. After that copy this one, don't copy the numbers. Copy this one, apt install python 3, and after that it will take some times. Again after that make ls and copy this one, after that paste it here, pip install -r recordment.txt. It will take some time guys because it will install the every requirement files. See guys, it's starting to install the requirement files. It's finished guys. It will take some time in your terminal. After that again make ls, and after that copy this one, copy this one and run this tool. Okay, you can copy from here also. Okay, you have to type python 3 gitminer -v2.0.py. okay, and press enter. The tool will run. After that and press enter, the tool will run guys. So here I will show the only the installation video here. So if you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel guys. So this video is only for education purpose. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.